Lesson 23, tree. This is a nice one. This is an easy one. You're getting your first introduction in this lesson to plural nouns. Not any details really, just a few examples. And the definite article, plural definite article is na. So buchel becomes bucheli. An becomes na bucheli. Nakalini, Namunchuri, and so on and so forth. All of these that they're giving you have that ifada ending, or a ifada ending, depending on whether it's slender or broad. There are other types of plural endings, and you have to learn them, but right now you don't, so this is a pretty easy chapter to review. Sa in the plural becomes sna, combines with the article as before. Lesh, leshna, no combination. And so on with the other prepositions. There's no combination with the article. So, pretty simple. Have fun.